You ever like hear about it, people through people, and y'all just can't never link up? And every time y'all run into each other all the time, but y'all never run into each other at a point where y'all can talk to each other. Y'all just kind of see each other in passing all the time. So I'm here at this Publix, gonna be here all goddamn day. Finally got to run into this T6. Oh man, finally. Now, y'all know my boys over there at AL-AMIN don't play. Look at this. Them and they side doors, man, they love them. It's always a different look, that's for sure. It's a whole different look. I love the way this truck sounds though when you're going down the road, man. It's got a nice sound to it. I didn't know he lives down here by me. I didn't even know that. I see him all the time down here. Man, I like this trailer. Adrian need to go ahead, let me get one of these. Oh man. Oh yeah, I just love those. For some reason those caps really do something for me. Look at this thing. Tall setup. Yeah man. I like it. I wonder, I think his wheelbase is 260 on this truck here. I'm running into this guy here every week, man. We run into each other everywhere. He's got a spread, like I think it's a 48 spread on that. And I run into him everywhere I go. It's funny. Every week when I go out, I run into him. Listen to that thing. All that noise. That grass burning. Love it. Love it. Look at it. I like that. That's nice too. Oh damn, these are kenworth punch shoes. That's nice. There's my dirty girl. We got some work to do this week, boys. We're gonna get the fenders on after we get this trailer empty. Then we gonna clean it back up again. I went to Indiana where I ordered my grill from. Finally pick it up. They still on back order. He said they'll have some in about 2 weeks. Or he said in the next 2 weeks. I think he said call on Wednesdays to see if it came in yet. So hopefully it comes in, because I need to put that grill and bumper on. Next month we're supposed to take on some more on this truck, so we're gonna see, man. I'm looking forward to the next few steps, but you wouldn't believe we just polished it up the other day. As dirty as it is. I mean, I just been driving in nothing but rain, man. Nothing but rain. Just non-stop rain. But yeah, we're gonna clean that trailer up. I gotta fix some lights on the front of it, and then we're gonna polish it up real good, so that's ready to go. And we're gonna put my like I said, my back panel back on, the fenders on. Here you go, right here. Here go the man right here. didn't even know he was my neighbor.